Namaskar, IMD welcomes you in its daily weather briefing program. Today is 18th June. If we see today's highlights of the briefing, that first highlight is that heavy to very heavy rainfall with isolated extremely heavy rainfall, that is rainfall more than 20 centimeter, very likely to continue over northeast India and sub-Saharan West Bengal during next 2 days, and heavy to very heavy rainfall thereafter for subsequent 3 days. And second point is that heat wave to severe heat wave conditions likely to continue over many parts of North India during next 24 hours, and there is a possibility of reduction gradually thereafter because of one western disturbance is approaching towards our country, that is North India. And these are the realized heat wave conditions and heavy rainfall. So you can see that shown by orange to red color, depicting heavy to very heavy rainfall at many to most places over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, North Madhya Pradesh, and isolated over Jammu division and North Rajasthan, Northeast Madhya Pradesh, and over Jharkhand and Gangetic West Bengal. And heat wave to scattered heat wave, severe heat wave also realized over Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand at some locations, and at one or two stations over Jammu division. As regards heavy rainfall, yesterday main zone of heavy rainfall was northeast India and sub-Saharan West Bengal and adjoining East Bihar region. So accordingly, exceptionally heavy rainfall of the order of 78 centimeter reported over Meghalaya in Mawsynram, and some other locations in Meghalaya also reported extremely heavy rainfall. Similarly, heavy to very heavy rainfall reported over Arunachal Pradesh and Nagaland, Manipur, and Tripura. Extremely heavy rainfall more than 20 centimeter reported over Southern West Bengal, and one station also reported extremely heavy in eastern parts of Bihar in Kishanganj district, and heavy rainfall reported over Jharkhand, Gangetic West Bengal, and Odisha region. As regards South Peninsular India and along the west coast, heavy to very heavy rainfall reported over Konkan and Goa, coastal Karnataka and Kerala, and heavy rainfall over South Interior Karnataka and Tamil Nadu region. So in nutshell, we can say that along the west coast, parts of South Peninsular India, and over northeast and adjoining East India reported heavy rainfall spell yesterday. And other locations including central parts of the country reported gusty winds of the order of 60 to 70 kmph with hailstorm activity over Madhya Pradesh region yesterday, and some parts of Maharashtra also reported gusty winds with thunderstorm activity, and Vidarbha region also the same. So this is realized weather. Now these are the synoptic systems. So we are having western disturbance roughly over Afghanistan region as a trough, and there is a cyclone circulation over northeast Assam, and southwesterly winds are running. Southwesterly winds are prevailing over North Bay of Bengal. Accordingly, moisture is going to northeast India and adjoining eastern parts of the country. There is a cyclone circulation over coastal Andhra Pradesh and west central Bay of Bengal, adjoining region of west central Bay of Bengal, and there is a cyclone circulation of Rayalaseema also in low tropospheric levels. There is a cyclone circulation over northeast Arabian Sea and Saurashtra region in lower and middle tropospheric levels. So these are the synoptic systems under the influence of, you can see that parts of northeast India, mainly over Assam, West Bengal, Sikkim, western parts of Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, and Manipur, Mizoram region, and adjoining eastern parts of the country, including eastern parts of Bihar, northeastern parts of Jharkhand and Gangetic West Bengal. Also dense cloud is there, and there is a possibility of accordingly extremely heavy rainfall over Assam, Meghalaya, and adjoining regions of Southern West Bengal. Now this is maximum temperature scenario. So yesterday also, as already mentioned, that heat wave to severe wave conditions prevailed at most places over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, Uttar Pradesh, at some locations over Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, and northern northwest Madhya Pradesh, and at isolated locations over North Rajasthan, Bihar, Jharkhand, and Gangetic West Bengal also. So accordingly, the maximum temperatures are in the range of 42 to 46 at most places of northeast plains of North India, and they are above normal by 3 to 7 degrees Celsius over these locations of north and adjoining central and east India. Now this is minimum temperature scenario. So today minimum temperatures also in the range of 27 to 32 degrees Celsius with 34 degrees Celsius at isolated locations over plains of North India, Central India, and East India, and these are above normal by 3 to 7 degrees Celsius with isolated locations with 8 degrees Celsius above normal over these locations shown by orange and red color, and by 1 to 3 degrees Celsius are normal over the color shown by yellow here. So in nutshell we can say that minimum temperatures are also above normal over northern plains of our country. Now these are the weather warning for next 5 days. Accordingly, orange to red color is prevailing during next 2 days because of heat wave conditions over mainly over Uttar Pradesh region, and also orange to red color over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi for today and tomorrow, and orange color is given for heat wave over Himachal Pradesh and Uttarakhand mainly during the next 24 hours, with yellow color over Himachal Pradesh tomorrow, and orange to red color also given to parts of East India including South Bihar and Jharkhand region because of heat wave conditions, and heavy rainfall. As regards heavy rainfall, so again heavy to very heavy rainfall with isolated extremely heavy rainfall likely over northeast India and sub-Saharan West Bengal, Sikkim today, and heavy rainfall over Bihar and Odisha and coastal Andhra Pradesh in eastern parts of the country, and heavy rainfall is expected over Konkan and Goa, coastal Karnataka, South India Karnataka, and Kerala also today. And thunderstorm activity likely to continue over Madhya Pradesh region, adjoining region of Vidarbha and Chhattisgarh, including some regions of Telangana and Madhya Maharashtra and Marathwada region also. And heavy rainfall, there is a possibility of heavy rainfall also likely over western parts of Madhya Pradesh today, under the influence of intense thunderstorm and gusty wind activity. And on 19th of June, the spell of heat wave to severe wave at many to most conditions likely to continue over Uttar Pradesh, at some locations over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi, and Uttarakhand region, and over North Madhya Pradesh also, and heat wave at isolated locations over Himachal Pradesh and North Rajasthan and Jharkhand and Bihar tomorrow also. As regards heavy rainfall on 19th, again the same activity likely to continue over northeast India and sub-Saharan West Bengal region, and heavy rainfall is expected to continue over Bihar, Odisha on 19th of June also, and thunderstorm activity is likely to continue over western parts of the country including Gujarat and central parts of the country including Madhya Pradesh and adjoining regions of Chhattisgarh and Maharashtra. And on 20th, this heat wave conditions likely to reduce significantly over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi. However, heat wave spell likely to continue at some locations over Uttar Pradesh on 20th of June. Otherwise, only isolated activity of heat wave is likely over South Bihar region on 20th. Otherwise, no significant heat wave conditions has been given for any parts of the country except Uttar Pradesh and Bihar region. However, thunderstorm activity is expected over northwest India on 19th and 20th, and as regards heavy rainfall on 20th, heavy to very heavy rainfall is expected over Assam, Meghalaya, Arunachal Pradesh, somewhere in West Bengal, and heavy rainfall over Sikkim region on 20th, and heavy rainfall is likely to continue over Bihar and Odisha on 20th of June as well, and heavy to very heavy rainfall is expected along the west coast on 20th of June over Konkan and Goa, and heavy rainfall over coastal Karnataka and Kerala. And thunderstorm activity also likely to continue over western parts of the country including Gujarat and Maharashtra, and central parts of the country including Madhya Pradesh, Vidarbha, Chhattisgarh, and adjoining Telangana and Andhra Pradesh region. On 21st, heat wave continue over Uttar Pradesh. However, thunderstorm activity is expected on 21st as well over Uttar Pradesh, central parts of the country, Rajasthan region, western parts of the country, central parts of the country, and heavy rainfall is expected over Odisha, and heavy to very heavy rainfall likely to continue over southern West Bengal and over Assam Meghalaya region, and heavy rainfall over Arunachal Pradesh on 21st of June, and heavy rainfall is expected over Sikkim on 21st. On 22nd, this rainfall activity likely to continue over northeast India on 22nd as well, with heavy rainfall over Sikkim on 22nd and heavy to very heavy rainfall over Assam, Meghalaya, and heavy rainfall over Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram, Tripura on 22nd, and heavy rainfall likely to continue over Odisha on 22nd as well. And heavy to very heavy rainfall is expected over Konkan, Goa, coastal and south central Karnataka, Kerala on 22nd June, and heavy rainfall over Tamil Nadu on 22nd June. In nutshell, we can say that heavy to very heavy rainfall with isolated extremely heavy rainfall likely to continue over northeast India and adjoining Somaliland, West Bengal. Heavy to very heavy rainfall over Sikkim likely during next 2 days, and heavy rainfall subsequent 3 days. And accordingly, this is the distribution also. You can see that most parts of the country are likely to experience rainfall activity during next 5 days, and dry weather is expected over western parts of Rajasthan today, and on 21st over Haryana region, and on 22nd over Punjab, Haryana, Chandigarh, Delhi. Otherwise, most parts of the country likely to witness rainfall activity during next 5 days, with significant rainfall over northeast India along the west coast during next 5 days, and scattered to fairly widespread rainfall over East India today. And from tomorrow, fairly widespread rainfall is expected over eastern parts of the country, including Jharkhand, Gangetic, West Bengal, Odisha, Chhattisgarh region during subsequent 3-4 days, that is during 20th to 22nd of June. As regards our islands, so widespread activity is expected over Lakshadweep and Andaman Nicobar Islands during next 5 days. So this is detail about the weather forecast and warnings for next 5 days over different parts of the country. We'll update tomorrow. Till then, namaskar, Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.